How to multitask more effectively. Multitasking is a great way to get a lot of things done at one time. Not only does multitasking allow you to work on several unrelated projects at one time, but it enables you to break up the monotony of taxing activities so that you can increase your productivity. However, multitasking effectively is harder than it may seem. Not only do you need to overcome the problem of staying focused, but you also need to manage your time well. Fortunately, with a little work, you'll be able to multitask effectively and get a lot of work done. Method 1: Getting organized and focused. 1. Focus on the goals of your different projects. Before you get started, make sure to put a little thought into the goal of each project. Also spend time differentiating your projects and developing an organizational system that will help keep you focused. Spend a few minutes thinking about each separate project, your goals, aims, and your approach to completing it before you start multitasking. Create an organizational system in which you'll keep all material for a specific project. Mixing up your different projects will make you a lot less effective. 2. Make a list of tasks. You should create a list to make sure you're organized and on task. If you have a list, you'll be able to see exactly what you should be doing. Ultimately, without a list, you'll be unable to multitask effectively. First, check and see if it's imperative that you do all of these tasks personally, or if they can be delegated or outsourced to someone else. For example, could your spouse help you with a household chore? Or, could a coworker tackle part of the project you are working on? Write down all of your tasks and rank them based on priority. Think about how many of these tasks you can reasonably get done today, and assign the remaining tasks to other days. Tack your to-do list up somewhere you can see it. Consider carrying a copy of your list around with you. You never know when you'll have the opportunity to get some multitasking done. 3. Organize your workspace. Another important way you can multitask effectively is by organizing your workspace. Without an organized workspace, you'll spend more time searching for items and digging around in a mess than actually working. As a result, spend some time to make sure your workspace is tidy and organized. Spend a little time at the beginning of your workday sorting files, folders, and other materials that may have gotten mixed up. Use filing cabinets or a data storage system to organize projects on a long-term basis. Having all of your information neatly put away will help you to be more effective. Don't introduce non-work-related material, information, or more to your work environment. It will create a mess and might distract you. 4. Mix your tasks appropriately. Another way of improving your effectiveness at multitasking is to mix your tasks in a way that improves your productivity. By mixing different sorts of tasks, you'll be able to give your brain a rest when you've burned yourself out on more demanding work. If you're working on a task that demands a lot of concentrating, mix it with a task that is relatively easy to complete with little attention. By doing this, you'll be able to take a break from the more demanding task by working on the less demanding task. Depending on your work style, consider working on projects that are relatively similar in approach at the same time. This is important since your brain might take more time switching to different types of work if you move between different types of projects a lot. 5. Know your abilities and the nature of a project. Before even engaging in multitasking, you should spend a little time reflecting your projects and your abilities. This is important, as you or a specific task might be more suited to unitasking than multitasking. Remember that multitasking is not always better than unitasking. Carefully consider how you work best. Does it take you a lot of time to get focused on particular projects, or can you jump into new projects easily? Think about the nature of projects before you start them. For instance, some projects, like reassembling a transmission, are more suited to unitasking. At the same time, projects like writing a number of articles or reports may be more suited to multitasking. Before starting a task, consider if you will save more time and energy by focusing on it until completion or whether it is the type of project that you can start and stop without losing much efficiency. Method 2: Creating the right environment. 1. Eliminate unnecessary distractions. While the point of multitasking is doing a number of activities at one time, you should eliminate all distractions that are unnecessary. By eliminating distractions, you'll help create an environment in which you can multitask better. Turn off the radio or TV. Let others know you are working and cannot be disturbed. Shut off social media and close your email, unless these are part of your working, multitask mixture. 2. Make sure you have all of the equipment and supplies you might need. In order to multitask effectively, you need to be prepared to perform all of the tasks you're trying to complete. Without the appropriate equipment and supplies, you won't be efficient and you won't be effective. Gather all of the hardware you'll need. Depending on what you're working on, you might need special hardware to improve your productivity. Consider a second monitor, a special keyboard, or even a second computer. Make sure you have any paperwork or information you might need. Have plenty of stationery, pens, pencils, and other office supplies. Consider using a tablet or smartphone to help you multitask. They will allow you to multitask just about anywhere. Having water and snacks on hand may also help to keep you from abandoning your task if you become hungry or thirsty. Try to anticipate meals if you're going to be working a long time. Have them already figured out so you can prepare your food and then get right back to work after you eat. 3. Build a comfortable work area that you can move around in. Without a comfortable and well-designed work area, you'll have a difficult time multitasking effectively. Consider incorporating informal elements, like a couch or beanbag chair, into your workspace. Make sure your chair is very comfortable and promotes good posture. Position file cabinets and other organization aids close to your workspace. Make sure your chair can swivel and slide on the floor easily. Swiveling will help you work on multiple surfaces or view many screens without getting up. Sliding will help you move around in your work area. Method 3. Managing your time. 1. Take breaks and don't work too long. Studies have shown that people who work too long become less effective. As a result, working for the right amount of time and taking planned breaks is an important element of making sure you can multitask effectively. Try working for 45 to 50 minutes at a time. Take breaks of 10 to 15 minutes every hour. If you can, break your workday up into several-hour increments. Depending on how you work, it might be most effective for you to work in 3 or 4-hour shifts, take an extended break, and then get back to work for another 3 or 4-hour shift. 2. Work at a time in which you are most productive. If you have the ability to choose when you work, try to work at times you are most productive. This is important, as different people are more awake, alert, or productive at different times. If you're a morning person, make sure you block off that entire time of the day to work. If you find you are not very effective in doing complicated or involved tasks in the morning, instead use that time to organize and do less involved work. Consider keeping a journal for a week or 2 to track when you are able to focus easily and when you struggle to stay focused. 3. Create a schedule. You should also create a schedule so you can plan when you'll work on certain tasks. Without a schedule, your multitasking would be chaotic and you may find it hard to focus. To prevent this, make sure to block out your time for specific tasks or groups of tasks. Allocate blocks of time to specific tasks. Before you start on anything, make sure you know how long you expect a task to take. If copy editing an article will take an hour, have that planned before you begin. Be sure to also allocate time for breaks as well. Recharging will be important before your next block of multitasking. Plan out your multitasking time over the course of your work week. If you plan to multitask for 2 hours a day, make sure you reserve space in your schedule for that. 4. Time the addition of new projects. Another thing to consider is whether you will complete a whole group of projects, tasks at one time, or will you add new projects as you finish individual ones. This is important, as you'll have to carefully manage your schedule and organizational system. Think about how many projects you can do at one time. Reflect on if there is a max number of projects you want to be working on at any given time. You may determine that 6 projects is the max number you want to work on over the course of a given period of time. Determine if there is a deadline for any specific projects. If there is no deadline, or it is far off, you may benefit from stretching projects out over time and working on more at the same time. If you think you'd rather finish a whole group of tasks before moving on to new projects, that's okay. If you are the type of person who can add new projects to your in-progress list as you finish individual projects, then do so.